We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, everybody. Get yourself the coffee. My little friends, Villa Beats is in the house. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Today we have a nice live for you. Very nice live. We look on some coins. We look on some Bitcoin stuff. We look on your coins, obviously, and ZEC. ZEC. We look on ZEC. ZEC going to pump probably. We're gonna show you some trade alerts we took, which are going mad. And yeah, let's go. Let's start with ZEC. Okay, so ZEC got rejected here from the downward trend. You can see got actually a big slap in the face. Yeah, not that big, but got a slap in the face here from this level of resistance. Told you yesterday it might pull back from here, might need more time before it pumping, which is okay. It's back above the 50-day, back above the 200, back above the 100-day. Very bullish coin, very bullish chart. Probably gonna pump soon. We're looking for a breakout of this triangle, hopefully this week. But again, keep in mind, yesterday got a big spinning top type of a candle with a topping tail. Again, it's probably not gonna crash, but it can consolidate here. Maybe it will consolidate a couple of days, maybe even longer. The more it consolidate under the triangle below before the breakout, actually the better. You gotta be patient when you trade or invest, and you gotta be also trading other coins while you wait for your coin to pump. Okay, but if you're not trading other coins now, you're missing out. Because as ZEC is consolidating on the breakout, some coins are doing doubles and triples, and that's a shame not to participate. It's like a big party, big fiesta. Okay, so ZEC probably gonna break out in the coming days or weeks. We shall see. Let's look on the momentum here on the daily. It had a very big move. You can see here from the lows. You can see this big straight up. You can see straight up 8 candles with a blow off type of a candle here, and a topping tail at the end of it. So it could be pulling back or going sideways for a couple of days. After 8 days in a row up, maybe 3-4 days sideways down, then another 8 days up, then another. That's how markets move. Okay. Woohoo! Got a breakout now. Other coins are now breaking out. Man, join our membership. If you like ZEC, to join our membership now, because we're gonna buy ZEC on the breakout. We already have a position. We're gonna add more as it's getting stronger and stronger. Now, meanwhile, we're collecting gains, trading other coins that are pumping, breaking out now. You don't want to miss out. Every day you're not joining the VIP, it's unbelievable. You're missing out, man. You're missing out. Join the VIP, test it out, try 1 month. If you're too cheap, try 1 month. If you're smart, take the 4-month, man. Use the coupon code. Stop wasting time, man. Our members are printing. I will show you many trades, man. I will show you. Look, for example, let me show you this one, okay? Show you this one, and we're gonna continue with the video. Okay, it's very, very, very. I gotta show you, man, because look at this one. You gotta see that, man. This. All right. Look, this is soon. Okay, we shared it in October 1st. The price was 40 cents. Then we shared it in the membership again yesterday on October. Sorry, not yesterday. On October 3rd, couple of days ago. Okay, to buy more on the break above 56. Look at soon. Okay, this coin. Okay, just a coin. No, unknown coin. Look at this, man. Look at this. That was our first entry. Look, that's the charts you want to be in, all right? Look, that was our first entry, man. Here, sorry, 40 cents, okay? You can see that was in October 2nd. Okay, it broke out here. We bought some right here. Okay, on the 40 cent. Then we had this sideways, and I told the members, hey, buy more here once it breaks the high around 56. Look what happened to Sun. Okay, look, from our first entry, we're up on it a double. From our second entry, we're up on it 50%. You know, that's from yesterday. Okay, it broke out yesterday, triggered the second entry. You can join the membership, and you're always gonna get more trades. It doesn't matter. You miss out soon, you're gonna get out and you're gonna get another trade. We always have another trade coming, another trade in the pipeline. I just share a trade now for the members. Man, we're rotating gains from breakout to breakout, taking the profits. When ZBCN breaking out, we add more to ZBCN. Breaking out another resistance, we add more to ZBCN. We're going to have a huge position in ZEC once it's ready. Now, even if it's not going to be pumping, we're still printing. You know what I mean? You don't want to count on one coin to save your life. Okay, you can see this is ZEC. It's not triggered the breakout yet. Okay, it's still, you want to see, you have here two breakouts that you need to trigger. Okay, it might take time. You have this breakout of the downward trend and the 53. Okay, here might create an inverse head and shoulders. Then you want to clear that high, the 60s. Okay, then it's gonna go bananas. That's what's probably gonna happen. It's gonna go bananas once it clears the 60s. Obviously, you might get some consolidation under the all-time high, but still, once it clears the 60s, I believe it's gonna pump. But anyway, man, we have a window of opportunity. Okay, now it's an altcoin season. Altcoin's going nuclear, man. Man, even I miss trades. Okay, so think about a guy that just trading ZEC or buying or holding. You don't want to be a hodler now. You want to be, you know what? You hold in ZEC, hold ZEC, hold 50% of your cash in ZEC. That's okay. But other 50%, join VIP, come trade with us, man. See how we can grow the capital. Grow the ROI, man. Let's look on your questions, sir. Join VIP. Amazing stuff. What do we have here? ZEC, $3. You can see this is like delusional people, you know, they're calling for $3. What $3, man? What $3, man? What $3, man? Those are the same people that were calling Kaspa to go to $7. What $7? You know, these are delusional people. That's what happened to people. They get delusional, they hold it, and then look what happened. The coin is pulling back, you know, instead of breaking out. Why? That's crypto, man. Crypto is moving on its own time, not when the people want it to move. It moves when it wants to move. Okay? OJ, Jan. Good morning. Good night, Phoenix. Like, subscribe, share it on your X, guys. We need your support. Mudeng, please, sir. We look on Mudeng. Mudeng is cooking. And, you know, maybe I might take a trade here if it cleared that level. Probably. You know what? Probably. I'm going to put an alert. But you know, it might take its time, man. It might take its time, but it can be a beautiful trade later. Now, I don't want to be in it. I actually had a little position and I closed it because I saw that it's just Muden is just a little beer, you know. So at the moment, man, you saw the coin. Look at some, really, man. People that like they're missing out. Look, just got listed on Kraken. Look at this. Look at this coin, man. You know, you gotta be filtering, man. You don't want to be dating all the girls in the world. You want to be dating hot girls, okay? Hot girls. Don't forget that, okay? You know? Look at this beauty, and it's going to all-time high. It have no resistance, That's a trade I want to be in, and I have a position, and I'm happy. Brr, brr, brr. A double. Look, we had this. This is a double. Last week we had a double jelly on jelly. Man, every week we get a double, and obviously we had 40%, 50% movers, man. Really, if you trade crypto, if you like crypto, you should be in the VIP, man. If not, you're like missing out on like free party. Great days are coming, man. The great days are already in, man. If you're not happy now, if you're not printing now, you are in the wrong coins, my friend. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Make sure follow me on X and share it on your X if you can. Will be very appreciated. Good morning, Peter. How you doing? Yeah, man. Very nice days. Bitcoin. Let's look on some Bitcoin. Look on ETH. Bitcoin it's consolidating at the highs. Okay, probably a lot of bears looking for it to pull back, calling for divergence. Oh no, it's gonna crash. Me, I don't know, man. I think it's in a runaway bull run. They wanted to crash so they can buy, but Max Payne, crypto Max Payne, it's probably not gonna do so. Hopefully, let's look on Bitcoin dominance. If she's pooping a little bit, yeah, we put. Ooh. When you look on these charts, let's ask the audience, what do you see? Are you getting bullish? Are you getting bearish? Do you even know what's happened there? Is your mind like a baboon, or are you seeing something? What do you see in the Bitcoin dominance chart? Tell me what do you see? Tell me. Where is the chart? Anyway, me have some coffee, man. Get yourself a coffee. Happy days, man. Man, what a market. What a market. Look at this. This is Bitcoin dominance now. Finally, looks like she's want to give up and drop below the rising wedge. This thing going down, Ethereum going up, altcoins going bazooka. It's BTC. Is BTC going up? Looks like a nice base here. Very beautiful. See this little base here. Puff. Looks like a breakout for ETH Bitcoin. Look on ETH dollar. Love it. I love it. Love this market when it's pumping. Yes, sir. You know it. You got it. Bear flag. People have some brains. Got educated in the crypto mindset channel. If I'm not wrong, bullish. Good. Pengu, Red Pill, join the membership, man. Stop being a cheap Italian and join the membership. You have no idea what you're missing out, man. Pengu. Yeah, Pengu looking good. Looks like it's probably gonna break out soon. On my radar. Once it's breaking out, I'm gonna trigger a trade. Now, I don't buy it. I don't buy in the pattern. I buy the breakout. Me, I wanna be in the coin on the right moment when it's vomiting to the upside. Because here, this is just like ZBCN, It's gonna come here to the downward trend and might take a smack in the face and then break or maybe fail. Me, I'm gonna wait for it here. That's me. You see? I'm like the PP man, but the other way around. Once they break out, boom, I buy and I put my stops here. That's when all my members obviously doing the same. Bear. We don't chase trades. We wait for them. Once they are ready on the perfect moment for them, then we execute. That's the beauty of being a breakout trader. You get to enjoy all the worlds, and you have actually the lowest amounts of risks because you trade market leaders. Here, John Gloven here. How you doing, man? Are you still in Soon? Did you saw what happened to Soon yesterday? Unbelievable. This is exactly telling you, John, why we do what we do, and why we love what we do, and why we are in crypto. We are in crypto for breakouts. See the breakouts? Bam! Clean, sexy, beautiful. Wow. Legendary. Absolutely legendary. You see here, John Gloven here he's also in the VIP. He's a lifetime, by the way. Join lifetime. This is like we lose money on lifetime, really. Join lifetime membership will change your life completely. Look at this. Wow. Man, from last week we're up on it. Now 120% and counting. Man, every week we have a double. If you compound your account, okay, not a double, okay. Let's say you compound your account every week with 10%, okay? 10% compound your account every week in an alt season, okay? I'll show you. Let's say you have 100K, okay? Next week you have 110K, okay? The other week you have you add another, you have 121K. The following one you have 133, I think. And then in the end of the month, you have around 150 or something, 147. Okay, that's from 10% compounding in a week. We do that easy peasy. The last week we did that and more, and we're gonna keep doing that. Sorry about that. Every week. Now look, and this is with risk management. Now, if Bitcoin pull back, it doesn't matter. Our account stays the same. You're gonna get stopped out. We're gonna continue trading. We're gonna, easy peasy. Now, let's say you do 20% of the account, which is very, very possible. Very, very possible now. Okay. So you start with 100. Okay, you start with 100. So the first week you get 120. Okay. Then following week you get 20%, 144. Then you get from 144 we'll go to 1 plus 28, 172, and another in the end of the month 198. Okay, so that's compounding every week 20%. So if you start, let's say if you do compound in your account 20% every week, you get to 200K from 100. It's like a double if you just compound every week. You get me? That's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. And then in the end of the month, hopefully you get another November and December alt season, and you can get doubles, triples, quadruple, 10x's. Sky's the limit, my friend. We just show you like the worst case scenario. All right, what do we have here? Much love to you, sir. Much love. How you doing, Cisco? Guys, drop me some question, drop me some coins because I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna get bored soon, man. Yeah, man. You see, soon. What is soon? I don't know. we got the trade alert. We took it. That's it. MNT. Yeah, man. You missed it. We didn't. MNT going nuclear. Where is MNT? What is this chart? MNT. It's now actually looks like it can be a very good deep buying opportunity. It should be bought. It should be bought back up because the yesterday candle was very bullish. Look at this full bar, man, with no tail on the top. So to me, it looks like a good buying opportunity. I'm not buying it now because I already have. I bought it here. Here we bought it. Right here. So yeah, we are up on it. Max gains. Yesterday we were up on it almost 30%, which is amazing. In a couple of days as well. MNT, amazing trade. I told people that watch the channel, MNT is a banger. MNT is a banger. I told them back here, watch MNT. I told them back here, man, back here or back here. I don't remember. And then we execute the trade here in the membership, and now again, man. We work, man. We work. We don't waste time. We trade. Yeah, man. Rejection. Looks like a clear rejection, man, here. Again, ZEC looks like a rejection here. Again, I'm bullish on it. Believe it's going higher, but it might need more time here. It is what it is, man. You go with the market. You don't, I'm gonna cry, You just go with the market. When it's ready, it's ready. Now, it's cooking. It's in the pot now. It's cooking. Need a breakout. Need the breakout of this level. Need a breakout. This is the most important breakout here. See the downward trend and this resistance, horizontal resistance here. Yeah. You stay above that, it's going to start being very bullish for ZBCN. It's going to be extremely bullish for ZBCN if it can take that level. Here, maybe it will create a head and shoulders. Maybe it will do that, just like it did here, like with a double head here, and like an inverse head and shoulder. Could be. I don't know. Watching it. Have a position in profit, no problem, no biggie. Yeah, man. Better. Yeah, man. Man, I don't know. Yeah, probably, man. They're cooking, man. They're waiting for their moment. These coins are, look at XRP is massive, okay? XRP is a big dog, is a big dog. XRP need to break that level, 3.2. XRP need to break that level, and then it will start, looking very, very good, in my opinion. It's taking its time, it's a big cap, it's not like a 100 mil market cap. This is like billions, 120 billions. How much? How 180 billion? XRP now is 180 billion, man. It need more buyers. Might take its time. Might need a couple of more days or weeks. But again, if the dominance will keep dropping, I believe XRP will start pumping as well. And same with XLM. XLM is the shadow of XRP. XRP pump, XLM pump. Easy peasy. But people I have a position, I'm waiting, but my other capital is working for me. All my trades are in the green, deep in the green, and rotation continues, and it's amazing. It's an amazing. What is this stuff? It's an amazing time to be trading crypto. Tiki tiki. Your target is your target, man. 1 cent, yeah, man. Why not? Should go there, but again, you don't want to be wasting time. You don't want to be wasting time now. Now it's a money season. It's a ROI season. If ZEC is doing his own thing, it's having his own little cycles. Okay, it's probably gonna be an amazing trade once it's ready. Now, you don't want to be wasting time. If you all in on ZEC now, you're wasting time. Why? Because coins are doing that while ZEC is going sideways. Pretty much, sideways, like, depends where you bought it, but average cost of ZEC for the last 6 months is around the 5, around the 5 level. So it's pretty much going sideways, no making ROI. You want to be in, let's say you are a hodler of ZEC, okay, hold here 50% ZEC, whatever. But the rest, man, don't F it up. Use the crypto market to grow your wealth. That's what you want. You don't want to go on a coma. The market will top probably in Q4, man. That's what they're not telling you. They're telling you, oh, it's gonna go to 2027, blah 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 blah, like a bunch of babies with ponytails. Man, it's gonna top out. It could top out this month. It could end up before everybody expected. It could top out end of October. It can top out on the next Fed meeting. It can top out in November. It can top up in December. But it's very likely to top out, market top, this quarter. You don't have time. People think they have time to hold rubbish coins. Clowns. No, ZEC is not rubbish. Don't get me wrong. I'm bullish on ZEC. I'm a ZEC maxi. I have a position. I have actually a big position. But I also trade the other coins. Look at this. This, for example, is a horrible coin. Cisco. S is garbage. S is garbage. You're buying wrecked coins. Wrecked. Yeah, it's probably gonna pump now with all the altcoins, but it's probably gonna lag. And you have tons of resistance overhead here. Look at this. Lower low, lower low, lower low. This thing is in a bear market. You see it's below the 200-day MA. This is garbage. If you buy that, it's not good. If you buy that, your coin selection is horrible. Your coin selection process is horrible or non-existent at all, and you're gambling on pathetic coins. Absolute dog shit, man. Absolute dog shit. Look what you buy. Look what we buy. Okay. Look at the difference. Okay. You know what? Look at this coin. Okay. Dog shit. Where is this stuff? And look at this coin. See the difference, sir? People that buy here, they are clowns, baboons, man. People that buy these coins, they are legends. They will laugh all the way to the bank, while you're gonna be ending up eating pee-pee of a big baboon or swan. You see the difference, man? Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Look at this. You don't need to be an You don't need to even have a brain. You can be a dog and understand, oh, this guy know what he's talking about. Look what you're doing. Look what you're buying. You're buying coin that can make you lose a lot of money. You buy downtrend. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my god. My god. I think I will quit the live stream. I cannot deal with the baboons, man. Oh, the baboons. Oh. Let's look on your Aster crap. It's okay. It's consolidating. It's consolidating. Could be setting up for a breakout on my radar. On my radar for my VIP members, working all day. Could be a good trade later on. Not a financial advice. Not a financial advice. XPR and XCN. Oh boy. XPR, man. They always come back to the same coins. Ooh, it's puking. Not a good look for XPR, boy. Not a good look for XPR, man. Not a good look for XPR. If it breaks out, good. If it breaks down, it can be the PP man here coming for XPR. Can be a big PP if it lose that level. You see? Cisco, you have a horrible coins, man. Coin selection. This might be good later, but now there is a risk of a downside. What was this? As well, the XCN one is even more horrible. Might be bottoming out, but again, you're trying to catch a bottom. Catching bottoms will cost you the bull market. You will lose all the super performers because the leaders, the super performers, they're going to new highs, man. They're not here in the gutter, pooping, peeing, filthy. Look at this. It's below all the moving averages. Horrible coin, horrible chart, man. Horrible, cooked. Already had. You're buying table scraps of other traders, that was trading it here. Now, every rally will probably gonna end up with a big sell wall from these morons that wanna sell now, get out. Okay, tons of resistance. Telcoin, how you doing? We look on Telcoin. Look, Telcoin need more time, and it's consolidating. Could be creating a bottom here, but again, you're wasting your time, man. I can't believe people wasting their life and their capital now. How can you do it to yourself, man? Why to waste your time, man? Join the membership. Why waste your time, man? You don't need to do nothing. You don't need to do research. We do all the research for you. We give you all the alpha, the best coins. We give you exclusive market updates daily. We teach you. We take care of you. We protect you. We make you a legend. This is rubbish. Again, it's probably gonna pump at some point. But you can see I have an alert on it. If it's going to pump, we're probably going to trade it. Probably. Unless we have better trades on open. You don't want to be buying cooked coins or coins that are not ready and they're going sideways. Sideways is not good. Sideways is not making you ROI. Up making you ROI. Okay? Up. This is not up. And also, it's below the moving averages. I will not buy it now. Who is the bot? Who is the bot? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Don't own any of it. Don't worry. Ha ha ha. So why you ask about them, man? Give some good coins. Why you give rubbish cooked coins, man, and pissing me off, man? You should be a comedian and stop this crypto crap. Hey. If you call me crap or what I'm doing a crap, I'm gonna cook you. Okay? It's one warning. It's one warning, mate. Thank you for your daily work. Cheers, mate. TWT, we have a trade. We cannot share it, okay? All my trades, man, I don't look at them because then it brings the bad eye. We actually have amazing profits on TWT and many other names that you don't even know they exist, my friend. Always follow the leaders, follow the champions, man. Why play basketball with bunch of fat, ugly girls when you can play basketball with an NBA superstars? That's what we do in crypto. We are the superstars. We have the dream team. You can be with the losers eating bananas, or you can join the superstars and print every day, all day. It doesn't matter. Bitcoin go up, Bitcoin go down. We'll go up, we long altcoins. It's going down, we short altcoins. This is the best time to trade crypto, the final quarter of the cycle. This quarter usually change lives, but most people will not make anything. We lose everything. Why? Losers. Losers, my friend. Okay. What do we have here? Okay, yeah. Smash the like, guys. Subscribe. I'm gonna wrap it up very soon. VCP setup in crypto mostly not as tight on. Bro. We're dealing here with baboons, man. You're too advanced, man. Save it for Jomo. Jomo will be back on live soon, man. He's just having some time off. Save this question for Jomo for the live with Jomo. When I'm doing the lives, it's like baboon style. We look on Phoenix because Phoenix is a nice guy. He likes the video. He leaves comments. He's a nice guy, and we appreciate Phoenix. Eigen and BNB, and I'm wrapping it up. Smash the like, subscribe. Eigen, I don't like it. I tell you from now already, because it's probably gonna bounce, but it's very, very choppy. You can see, very choppy. Up, down, all the way back down. Rubbish. Up, try to break out. Down. What is this down? Shake out, shaky, fakey, scammy, crap, scam. Ponzi. Will it pump? Can it pump? Absolutely. All Ponzi's pump in a bull run, but you want to be on a coin that is going like this, not like this. What you prefer? Ride a coin that goes like this or like this? Okay. Look at Soon. I'll show you BNB in a second. But look at Soon, man. That's the coin you want to be in. Okay. Again, not now because it's already mooning. But you buy here at the breakout of the base. Look at that. Look at that. Just going to show the audience this the trade, and I'm going to look on your BNB. That's Soon. Soon trade October 1st. I shared it. Buy now. Look, the price was 40 cents. Easy peasy. Look, 40 cents. October 1st. Buy now. Right here we bought it. See? Bam. Then we had an add-on that triggered yesterday. Okay, but I shared it 4 days ago. Buy the break above 56. I even have a typo sometimes. See? 56. Soon. See? Soon. Buy the break above 56. Okay? We bought some more here. You can see this little pivot. It went sideways here. Show you the 4-hourly. See? Went sideways here. We bought more here. Once it triggered, here, the break above this level. Right here, we entered more. We had automatic buy orders. My members, they don't sit on the charts all day. They put the automatic buy orders, trigger orders, Once it breaks, they get triggered. Boom, easy, easy. Brr, brr. Look at that. Bam. First entry, up 110%. Second entry, up 50% in a day, less than a day. Trigger like yesterday. What are you doing? Eigen. What? XCN. All the crap people are talking about. Everybody talking about these coins. They're not going to pump. This coin, no one is talking about. It's going to melt your face continuously. Why? That's how crypto works. Max Payne. Oh, let's look on your BNB. Join VIP, guys. This is no joke. This is no joke. We are going nuclear. Our membership is going nuclear. You better join before price going up. BNB looking very good. Actually breaking out higher now. Oof. BNB is leading the market now. Is leading the altcoin season. All the BNB related coins, a lot of them are getting amazing pumps. Coins that on their chain, coin that connected to Binance, they're pumping. BNB looking amazing. I don't have BNB. I have other small cap plays on BNB that are doing very well. All right. I don't have BNB. I think, I have a few BNB related coins that are doing very well. Oh boy, looking very good BNB. We like it. Oh, mental. Man, of course, man. Man, I was shilling mental. Are you serious? Where is my mental? I have it here. I'm gonna collect it from my. I need to find it on my. I shared so many trades, you know. Let me see if I can find it, man. If I can find it for you, sir. Oof, I have tons of trades, man. Tons. MNT. No. Tiki. There you go. Look at MNT. MNT back in October 1st. Buy the break above 196. What do you think? We're amateurs, man? You think we're amateurs, man? 196 on October 1st. That was our entry, bro. Look at it. Right here. See that candle here? Book. Already hit multiple targets. We have a runner. 30% gain in the money. Hoping for it to continue. If it's not, who gives an F? I'm going to move my stop to break even. It's a winning trade, whatever happened. I believe it's going higher. No resistance. Bybit are buying it. Bybit are pumping this coin. So yeah, MNT. And also, it's unfollowed coin. Bullish on MNT. Of course, I didn't miss it, man. You're serious. Join VIP, man. You will not miss anything crypto. Anything good, you will not miss, man. What else do we have here? Yeah, man, I do it. Man, 8 years, man. Every day on the charts. Only on the charts. No one comes near my toes in this market. Man, we trade against babies, baboons, you know, people like Crypto John and Crypto Galaxy. These are not traders. These are monkeys. These are monkeys with license. They have no idea what they're doing. This market, when you know what you're doing, it's so easy. When the money season comes, it's so easy to make amazing ROIs. It's so easy. And you need to know when to cash out, obviously, because they're all Ponzi's coming back down, you know. But man, it's the more you need to be pro here in this market, and it's the best market to trade ever. You know, I tried in the stock market. I got cooked over there. People will eat you alive. Okay, I got cooked in the stock market. You know, crypto. I'm a pro, man. I'm a pro. No one come near me. No, on YouTube, no one come near my strategy, my risk management, my approach. No one is even near. Man, no one. It's like comparing Michael Jordan to a little girl playing the WNBA. Man, it's nothing. no one comes near, man. People have no idea, man. I have no idea, man. I'm reading all the books to try to get to his level one day. Go for it, man. Go for it. Good job. Slowly, slowly. Poco a poco, man. Poco a poco, man. Poco a poco. BNB is a big boy. People forget about it, but I always remember how beautifully the chart moved. Yeah, man. BNB is very good trade. Very good swing trade. Actually, I'm actually surprised I didn't took it. But again, as you know, I have other bangers that are pumping faster. So yeah, and I'm waiting for actually other big dogs that I prefer. Pengu. We looked on Pengu, man. We looked on it. Go back on the live. We looked on it. You've been busy with so many trades. Yeah, man. I'm trading, man. Trading the market. ZBCN is scamming you guys, in my opinion. Insider wallet are. Another clown with insider information bollocks. ZBCN is not scamming nobody. It's just doing its thing. It's a bull run. If you're gonna miss the breakout, you're gonna cry to your mommy. Absolutely, for sure. If it breaks below the trend line, bearish. Breaks above this trend line, mega bullish. Bearish, bullish. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. What are you talking about? Wallet, insiders, all these baboons, they focus on information they have no control of. They cannot understand it. It's all fake information anyway. Absolute dog shit. If you don't watch charts, you're gonna lose everything in this life and in this market, man. BGB, we have a trade. Don't tell anyone. Yep. All right, guys, you have a wonderful day.